Hey, what'd you realize?
Where'd our light go? Oh, it's in my pocket. Sorry.
So what are we doing?
Oh, I ran the drill through because I can go 7/16, 14, and the hole's pretty good. Like, we're pretty close.
Looks pretty straight.
Yeah. Get it in there. Get it to start cutting. If I get the tap to start cutting, we're gonna be really good. This isn't a spot where you can use the tap TP and try to do it, keep it square, so you gotta be extra careful.
Nice and slow. When's the tempo?
Going. It is working. God, if that works. That hole is so funky though, I'm a little worried or concerned slightly. Because it was a little iffy. And that cut way easy, but at the same time, the drill was dead on the right size. So. It's coming back, yeah. We'll try it with our bolt. It's got all kinds of chunky. So, come on out, baby. It's a little oblong, but come on, baby. There
Think I like it.
It ain't going nowhere.
No.
Your bracket, I just had it. Maybe it'll come out of my pocket. Alright, trout fit without a shock, just for fun. For funsies? For funsies. Look at us, we have to make things because other people screw things up, so we have to come in. Did you ever discuss why there's that?
Nope.
I don't want to know. Probably involves the battery. Okay, so that goes in there. We'll put our nut on it, just to hold it. That goes in there. Let's say it's got to all be back there. Just for fun. Oh, Mr. Burns. I fixed it.
Looks good.
Give me a 5/8 socket, please.
Okay, hold on.
So grab it out of your Passy 3 set.
All right.
That's tight, bud.
Good and tight?
Good and tight.
Good and tight.
Of course that's not 5/8. Anyway.
No, it's 3/4. Cool. Well then, begin that shock in then.
Ha! I did it. Don't worry, whoever did it last effed it up. But don't worry, I fixed it. And Bernsey fixed it. And we had a big old headache and annoying. We were really mad. But don't worry, we fixed it. So, hope the boys send this video to those guys and be like, hey, I know it was a long time ago, but you guys are dumb. So look, we fixed it. Yay.
Sweet.
Done.
Later.